Tired of unreliable trash pickup? Choose a service you can count on. Rock Solid Waste. We provide dependable, affordable trash service for homes and small businesses with clean, professional equipment and friendly local support. When we say on time, we mean every time. Call today for a free quote at 731-420-4451. That's 731-420-4451, or visit rocksolid.com. Rock Solid Waste, taking the trash out of your worries. And now to Jerry Mack for the forecast.
All right, Karen, thank you for that. Rock Solid Waste is a sponsor for this morning's weathercast. So we're still under that cold weather advisory. It's going to go until noon today, and then we'll hopefully be done with these cold weather advisories and all these winter storm warnings and all this cold weather here for a little bit. Do look like we're going to have a pretty nice warm up, be close to average for our highs here as we kind of get into the week. So kind of looking ahead there, looks like we're going to be quite a bit above average as we get into next week too. So it's not a good thing. Not this coming up week, but the following week after this week looks to be uh, well above average. All right, well, here's a couple of um, rainfall totals. I'm just thinking generally right around a quarter of an inch. Maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more in some areas. Maybe if you're a little further down south, Hardin, McNairy counties, maybe a little bit more. That's where the trends have been showing a little bit more rainfall. But I just think in general for West Tennessee, we're going to see right around a quarter of an inch, maybe a little bit less up to the north. But again, just in general, right around a quarter of an inch. And this is just another forecast model. Again, it's showing those less totals up to the north. So um, again, you might see a little less rainfall if you're a little further to the north and northwest Tennessee. So for today, I know we're sunny, pretty much mostly sunny. I do think we'll start to see some clouds increasing. Still going to be a cold day out there, 31 degrees with a southwest wind at 5. So overnight tonight, mostly cloudy, not a cold night. We will have those southerly winds at about 5, overnight low at 20. And the 7 day, like I said, we're going to have a mix of sun and clouds as we get into Monday. Tuesday, we'll have those afternoon showers. We will be above freezing Monday, and we'll be above freezing for the rest of the week. So, with, on top of this, when we get this rain and all this stuff, with these um, above freezing temperatures, we'll get all this snow and ice and stuff to be melted off. I think we'll get a lot of it gone by Tuesday when that with that rain and all that as well. But for sure, it'll be gone by after Tuesday. We'll still could see a little bit in some areas, but generally, I think everything's going to be gone with these temperatures. We're just going to have a lot of all this stuff melt. So as it's rain, so we'll have a lot of excess water from all this melting snow. So we'll have to be dealing with those conditions. But we'll finally get rid of this snow. This stuff's been around um, going on for 7 days now. We're still dealing with it and it's not melted off. So hopefully by Tuesday we'll have all that snow and ice melted off and gone. Everybody have a good day today.